Hello everyone and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through an easy step-by-step process to install the YouTube app on your Mac. Let's get started. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or by launching Spotlight Search, press Command plus space, or click the magnifying glass in the top right corner, type Safari and hit Enter. Once Safari is running, navigate to youtube.com. Then, go to the menu bar at the top of your screen, click on File, and select Add to Dock. A prompt will appear allowing you to rename the shortcut if desired. I'll leave it as YouTube. After clicking Add, you'll see the YouTube icon appear in your dock. Here's the cool part. Clicking the YouTube icon launches it in a dedicated app-like window that operates independently of Safari. Even if you close Safari, the YouTube interface remains open as a standalone app. For instance, if I quit Safari now, you'll notice that YouTube continues to run. If you're using an older macOS version and the Add to Dock option isn't available, don't worry. I'll include a link in the description for an alternative installation method. That's it. You've successfully installed YouTube as a standalone app on your Mac. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.